Good day, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending where you're watching from. This is Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. In this video today, or lesson today, we are going to see how to construct Sumo Automatic Switch. We are going to construct a Sumo Automatic Switch. You know, the normal switch that Sumo normally comes with always fail, and most times it causes the Sumo to maybe burn or have issue. So we are going to design a automatic switch using some components like a contactor. This is our overload relay. This is the relay we are going to use, overload relay. Once there is an issue with this relay, the sensor, the machine will trip off. Then we have again the contactor. This is our contactor. It's a 25 amps contactor. This is the contactor we are going to use, and we have some indicator lights. This is our two indicator lights that we are going to use for this project, and we have our timer relay here. We want to design it in a way that once you press the on button, it will delay for 5 seconds before it will start the Sumo machine, before it will start the Sumo. So because if you design it in a way that once you press the button it will start, most times it will have issue. But once you press it, it will delay for some time before it starts. Then another thing, when you change over from a generator to NEPA, once you do that, if you start it, it will wait again before it will start pumping. Some Sumo, immediately if you off it and on it back again, it will not pump again until after some seconds that you have to on it back and wait for some seconds or minutes before it will on back again. So with this timer relay, we will take care of that one. Once you press the button, it will wait for 10 seconds before it will start. Then this is our packaging box. This is the metal box we are going to use to package it. This is the on switch, as you can see there. This is the on switch, the green one, and this is the off switch. Look at it. This is the box, and this is the one we are going to use for this project. This is the one we are going to use for this project. So just keep watching and see how they work. This is the final result, the Sumo control switch. This is the final result. This is what we get at the end of everything. We have fixed everything together to get this particular device, Sumo switch automatic. Once you on it, it will delay 5 seconds before it will on. Okay, let's now test run and see how it works. You power it, you press the on button, it's on. It will delay for 5 seconds before it will now bring that to power. It's on. If there is any issue, maybe the Sumo started overheating or there is a problem, this particular green light will shut down. Then once you are done pumping your water, just press the button again. Finally, we are done with the project. You can see it's already late. We normally work till we are done with what we are doing, till we get the final result. We are done with the project. You can bring this kind of project for us. We will give you what you are looking for. We will give you the final result that suits what you are looking for. Thank you so much. This is still Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. This is the final result. We are done. We are done with projects. By tomorrow, we will now go for the installation. Good morning. This is the site where we are going to install the Sumo control switch. You can see this is the site. Okay, let me show us the existing switch that was there. This is the switch that was here, the normal switch that was here. This is the normal switch, and this is the one we are going to replace it with. The one we have here, we are going to replace it with this one. So it. This is the building. Okay. Everything in this house, the electrical, electronics, everything was done by Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. This is our site. We have come to fix another thing here. Finally, we are done with the installation of the Sumo Automatic switch. We started the work from yesterday. If you look at it, you discover that this was not the cloth I was wearing yesterday. We started the work yesterday, and this morning we are done. Okay, this is the final installation. We have installed it like I showed us before. I showed us the one that was here and the one that we have now. This is the one that was here. This is the normal one that was here, but we've now changed it, and then this is now what we have here. Look at it. We are done with the project. Everything is well intact. Both the contactor, both the timer relay, main breaker, reset, that's the overload relay, and every other thing. Once we on it, this power will come on. After some seconds, this one will come on and the water will start pumping. That's it. We are finally done with the project. When you bring this kind of job for us, when you now bring this kind of job for us, we will give you exactly what you want and make everything very easy. With this thing now, the owner of this building will no longer be afraid of saying that he's small, getting burnt up or overloaded, or maybe there is an issue there, it's not revolving very well. Once something of that nature happens, this overload relay will trip the system down and everything will shut down. And once that happens, this green light will go off to show that it is on. Why this red one will be on? It is on, but it's not working. This green one that is on now shows that it is working. Once there is any issue, this one will go off to show you that it is not working, but this one will be on, showing that it is on. This is Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. We base on technology. We invent, we construct, we design, and we install. Contact us for this kind of job, and you'll be happy that you do that. Kudos.